everybody. Just wanted to give you a heads up on kind of how some of our billet manufactured stuff is done. We do all that stuff here in-house, so we're running a batch of valve covers today. 2-inch thick 6061. That's where they start at, you know, probably about 50 pounds. Right now, they're a little bit more intricate than they probably need to be. It's about an hour-ish it takes us to run one, so got some jigs set up here for production, and we can do 2 at a time, but we're kind of just doing one right now, getting comfortable with the new design. So kind of get one loaded in here and show you how the process works. We got Forrest here getting some tool zero. Basically just called up tool 1, which is the probe. The probe lets us set zeros and kind of tell the machine where the part is. So try not to let the probe get stored in the machine. It's pretty delicate. So right now Forrest is just finding the X, Y, and Z on the part, and then going to start setting tools from there. So see, there's this green trigger light that as soon as the probe sees any kind of touch, that's basically where it remembers its location at. run this this valve cover out of the machine. We are switching some fixtures over and playing with the risers a little bit for the flip. So basically we just do the inside portion of the valve cover first. It's pretty much all done. You know, has all the provisions that we're needing to do. And then flipping it over for the second process, we'll do everything on the top side, including our engraving, where the oil cap goes, and all that stuff. So halfway done, and we'll get you some more footage of the second part and get the finished product out of here. Here is the finished product. I apologize, it's kind of hard to see inside the machine with all the lubricant spraying around. It got all over the camera, but we tried our best to kind of get you some of the machining action. But again, here's the finished product. You can kind of see some of the detail in all of the cutouts and the pockets that we kind of designed. Got the logo inscribed. Now we did leave this one kind of plain. We are going to offer them in basically a raw finish that you guys can go ahead and polish, and also a black anodized, which will have the pockets machined out and have the logo machined out, so that will stand out quite a bit more than you can see right here. But super, super nice, very detailed piece, looks really, really good. We also are machining Kingspeed oil caps that also fit. We've actually changed the thread from just a generic thread to the same thread on basically 24 valves and up. This will fit on a factory valve cover and tighten up. It can actually go one full rotation, but this thing's moving around, but it actually lands perfectly straight just like that. We kind of matched the threads up so the logo would match perfectly straight up and down, but here she is. Underneath, again, here are the pockets for the holes. They do have some baffling for oil control, but again, we do normally run these with a catch can, and what we'll have up on the website when we finally get these up. These should be up in, I would say, about a week or so. We are running, we ran a couple of them to start with. We are gonna offer like a fitting package. You do need some pretty low profile 90s. We can do it with push lock or like black AN hose, and we're in the works of kind of coming out with some catch can ideas for a lot of different applications, but for now we can also get you a vibrant catch can. But here is the latest new and improved billet valve cover. Again, quite intricate, but looks really, really killer.
These will work on 06 and up, I believe. Again, shopkingspeed.com. We'll have these up here shortly. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of the behind the scenes on making of the valve covers. Again, if we can help you guys out with any of your build, any of your parts needs, our phone numbers are always down below if you guys need any help with anything. So we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.